Hi you guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you some very simple, cute DIYs. We're going to be planting some false flowers in some cute little rustic tins because I am refreshing my home with hints of the rustic glam type thing, and I am going to be using these cute little pails, tins that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, and for $1, I think these are super cute. I've seen flower tins like this in Target and Homes Goods, places like that, and they definitely were way more than $1. So this is a great buy, so I'm sure they won't stay in the Dollar Tree for long, so you guys go grab you some right now. I only got 2 because I'm not trying to go overboard with the rustic style. Just want hints of rustic added in with my glam that I already have in place in my home. So we have 2 of these tins, and all you're going to need are those. You're going to also need some of this floral foam. You will probably only need 1. I have some left over from another project, but I bought an extra one just in case. But I think you just really need 1, and you want to cut it in half because honestly this little piece is plenty for 1 pail. So 1 should be plenty, and just remember to cut it in half. You will also need flowers of your choice. I am using these white roses here that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, and I have about 4 or 5 bunches of them, and I don't know how many I am going to use. I think I'm going to use probably just 2 per pail. So we have those, and I'm not sure if I'm going to be using any of these items, but these are just more embellishments that I may be adding on here. I'm not sure what look I want to do. I may not add anything to it. I may just pot the flowers, and that may just well be it. But anyway, you guys, if you're new to the channel, welcome. Go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. Turn on that post notification bell so that you're notified of all my new uploads. And to all of my oldie but goodies, thank you for returning and supporting as always. Like this video, thumbs it up, share it, and leave me a comment in the comment section below. Okay, you guys, now that we have all of the logistics out the way, we're going to go ahead and get started with this DIY. I'm going to take my flower foam and try to push it in there as far as I can. And I think that is great. See what I'm saying? That's why I think that you probably only need 1 foam, because it seems to fit pretty. Well, maybe we need to trim it off just a little bit. And all I'm doing is using my scissors. I'm just going to cut a little bit of that off, just a little bit. So let me try to cut through here. And y'all, excuse me for looking rough today because I haven't been feeling well. I've been feeling better today, actually, thank God. Probably from all the medication I've been drugged up on for the last few days. But anywho, still a little tired, but definitely a lot better feeling. So anyway, so I'm supposed to break that off, but why is this thing giving me so much trouble? If you have like a X-Acto knife, it would be better to use that if you have one. Use an X-Acto knife, and that way you don't have to make such a mess like your girl just did. Okay, so I trimmed off just a little bit. It don't have to be perfect, you guys. Just know that it doesn't have to be perfect. So now that sits in there a little bit better. It's a little bit looser. You won't have to worry about it popping out like Jack in the Beanstalk, or whatever you call it, the Jack in the Box. Jack in the Box. We don't have to worry about it popping out like that, because now it fits a little loosely in there. Now, if you don't want it to come out, you can very well we can go ahead and do that. We could put some hot glue on the sides, a little on the bottom, a little on this side, and this will help to secure it in there so we don't have that issue that we just had. So just place it in there. And hold it down in there. Put a little bit more over here. A little bit more. Yeah. So anyway, so now it's in there. And you can just take your flowers and you want to cut them down. Y'all, this DIY is so simple. Like, your child can do it. Your 4-year-old can do it. All it do is just takes a little time to get them the way you want them. But other than that, it's very simple. So we're going to cut these flowers down because we want them to stick out, but I need to see exactly how much I want to cut off. I know we want to individually cut them off for sure. Now this is where your flower cutters come into play, your wire cutters, which, you know what, I have some. Let me go get them now because we don't have time for this. I ain't got time for all of that. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So I got my little cutters. They look like that. Kind of like scissors, but they're not. So I'm just going to cut that flower. And let me make sure that that's the length that I need because I really don't know. I'm just going to press it in here. Like so. Okay, now if you want your flowers to sit up higher out, then you know you could cut it down further and you can leave this big stem there and just spread it out. You can do that if you choose to as well, and I can show you what it looks like if you like to see. It would be about this tall, which to me is too tall. So will be cutting mine individually. And you just gotta play around with it. Okay. Then you have to just play around with the flowers. And they look like this. Just play around with them, you can bend them a little. You know. A little character. Make them look a little fuller. This texture's not gonna be in there. Okay. So you'll have something cute like that that you can put in your home. So a very cute and inexpensive way to get a rustic glam look. If you want to, you can add a strip of bling around the top or the bottom. Add just a little strip around the bottom. with it. Okay. Then I have to just play around with the flowers. And they look like this. Just play around with them, bend them a little, you know. A little character. Make them look a little fuller. Some extra's not gonna be in there. Okay. So you'll have something cute like that you can put in your home. So a very cute and inexpensive way to get a rustic glam look. If you want to, you can add a strip of bling around the top or the bottom. Add just a little strip around the bottom. I don't know, you guys. I may add another piece of bling to the top. I'm not sure yet though, but alright guys, this is the finished look of my Rustic Glam flower pots. So I added my bling. I didn't do anything special to these pots to get this look. I added the bling for the glam, the glam of the pot, and these Dollar Tree roses. That's it, you guys. It was simple. I won't lie, it was simple and it turned out very cute. I absolutely love the way that it turned out. I didn't want to do too much to them because I wanted them to, I have to play around with the flowers a little bit more, but yeah, I may even add one more bouquet of flowers. I'm not sure, I may not. I don't want to overdo it, but anyway, you guys, this was very inexpensive, very cute. Also, thumbs this video up, share it, like it, and let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. All right, you guys, I hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and don't forget that after Monday, make it Monday, we will have Tidy Up Tuesday. So if you like clean with me videos, I will have one posted tomorrow. See you guys later. I hope that you tune in, and again, have a blessed day.